This Jennifer Aniston salad is going viral on TikTok.
Which I made from scratch.
She once said that she ate this every day for 10 years on the set of Friends. Now, I can't imagine eating the same thing for 3 days, let alone 10 years, but I'm gonna put her salad to the test and see if we can even give it a little twist. So this recipe is pretty simple. We start off by cooking the bulgur wheat. Bulgur is an ancient grain that has a nutty, somewhat hearty and chewy texture, and it's fairly quick to cook. A dish that uses bulgur wheat that you're probably familiar with is called tabbouleh. To cook, just follow the package's directions. In my case, it's adding half a cup of dried bulgur to 1.5 cups of water, letting it all come to a boil for about 10 minutes. Then we close the lid and let it steam like rice for another 5 to 6 minutes until the grains are completely cooked through. Now, if you want it to be a softer grain, go ahead and let it sit for a couple extra minutes. We'll then fluff it with a fork, and if there's any excess water left in the pot, just drain it and let the grains cool completely. Okay, now to prep the veggies. I have 1 English cucumber here that I'll dice into small chunks, so about 1 cup, a 1/4 cup of red onions thinly sliced and chopped, and then for the herbs, we need a 1/4 cup of flat parsley chopped and about 2 tablespoons of mint. And that's it for the prepping. Now to put everything together, we'll add the bulgur, and if you can't find bulgur wheat, a great substitute would be quinoa. Half a can of garbanzo beans that I've already rinsed and drained, our chopped cucumber, red onions, our chopped up herbs, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, a 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios for a nice crunch. So for the salad dressing, she didn't specify exactly what she used or how much of what she used, but the internet did use juice from half a lemon and olive oil. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil in and season it with some salt and pepper. Give everything a quick mix, and let's see if this salad is worth eating every day for 10 years. This salad is good. I see it more as one of those side salads that you get packaged up at the grocery stores, like those deli salads, but it looks pretty complete. There's protein from the beans, you got carbs from the wheat, veggies, and even healthy fats from the olive oil and the pistachios. But could this be any better? Oh God. Let's pivot to my version. So we'll start by marinating our chicken breasts. I like to flatten my chicken breast a little bit with a rolling pin so that it grills evenly. Then in a container, I'll add 1 tablespoon of minced parsley, 3 garlic cloves finely minced, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, zest and juice from half a lemon, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'll mix it all up and then we'll marinate this for about an hour to overnight. The longer it sits, the better. Then once we're ready to cook, just heat up a grill pan and grill each side for 4 to 6 minutes or until it's fully cooked through. Now for our salad, I'm gonna add a bed of baby kale because I feel like a salad needs to have some leafy greens. Add Jennifer Aniston's salad on top, and then some of our chicken breast that I've already sliced. Of course, some sliced avocado because why not? And because her salad reminded me a lot of tabbouleh, we're gonna add some cherry tomatoes to mimic that. And here's Jennifer Aniston's viral TikTok salad, and here's mine. How you doing?
How you doing?
So basically, I didn't do much to change her salad. Instead of keeping it as like a side salad is what I thought it looked like, I turned mine into more of a meal, like it was a side rather than a main. And the moment you've been waiting for, let's give them a try. There's a lot of textures and crunches and stuff going on in one bite. You get like the crunchiness of the nuts and then the cucumbers. The flavor is good, but honestly, I don't know if I can eat this every day for 10 years. It's good, but that was a really good bite. Not saying that mine's better, I didn't do anything to change hers. I just made it more complete of a salad. Kind of like something that you would find at Sweetgreens. What about you? If you guys like seeing me put twist on celebrities' recipes, go ahead and watch my Gigi Hadid's famous vodka pasta recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I mean, how hard could it be to cut a cucumber? No, that's good.